going on, y'all? It is Chris with pennies2000s.com, and I gotta show you this app that is beginning to go viral just because people are realizing how easy it is to make money on this app. It is an app where you're going to answer questions in video form. You see here, I have 3 questions worth $1 each, and I have a 25-cent question. So I'm going to show you how easy it is to use this. First, I'm going to show you my balance. I have $2.75 on my account. You get a minimum of $10 in order to cash out. So back to the home page. I'm going to get started with these 3 questions to just show you how it works. So I'll just click on it, and it's going to take me to the first question. I just look and see what the question is asking and just make sure that I answer it completely in a video form. So when I'm ready, I'll click Start Task and just record myself. Now, I'll fast forward this part, just for the sake of this video. But you have to answer it for at least 15 seconds. Then when it's done, you can just upload it and, just wait for them to, listen and watch your response. And it'll take me right into the second question. So I do this for all 3 of them. Again, looking at what the question is asking me and answering it for at least 15 seconds in video form. You just want to make sure you're clearly seen, you're clearly heard, and that you're answering the question, and you should have no problem getting credited. It'll happen every time. So again, just, uploading it takes, all of this takes very, little time to do in order to really, pile up with this app. So I've answered 2 already. I'll do the third one. Begin question 3 of 3. Again, just looking at the question, recording my response, and, just uploading it right after that. I mean, it's just that simple. That's why it's going viral, because people are beginning to catch on how easy it is to make money with this app. Upload it again. That's the third question. So once that gets done, I'll go back to the home page. Just click X right here, and you see here I have one more. That's 25 cents. You'll get this one kind of weekly. So I'll just record my response on this one real quick. And the thing about it is, I'm going to show you how you can get more questions once I'm done with this. So just upload this one real quick. So that's really just $3.25 in like a couple minutes. I mean, you really can't beat that. So now I go back to the home page. You see I have no more questions, but you see unlock more video questions. I can click on that and continue to answer questions, and it'll find me a survey that I can answer in video form. So now, once I've gotten credited with all of that, you see here I have $6 on my account, so they will credit you. It does pay. Like I was saying with the unlock more video questions, those are not questions you will be paid for, but you can continue to answer those questions and they'll find you something. So they might find you something that's like, hey, we got, 6 questions here, each worth $1. So you can make, really good money doing that. And most of the time when you get new questions added to you, there'll be at least $1. So, I mean, this isn't anything cheap. You'll have the 25-cent question that you'll get like maybe once or twice a week, just guaranteed. But in order to get more questions, you have to click on that unlock more video questions box so you can really, pile up with this app. And like I mentioned before, the minimum to cash out is $10. I got $6 right now, so I'm $4 away. It does not take long to really accumulate in this app if you're really active on it. So just continue to answer the questions. Check back, throughout the day, because they'll have something for you. Sometimes if you don't answer them fast enough, they will be given to somebody else. So just make sure you're always unlocking more video questions and answering them as soon as you have time. That way you can pile up your account fast. So I'll leave the link to sign up with this app in the description. You can download it on your Android, your tablet, your iPhone, whatever it is. It's completely free to use. Make money on this viral app. Get started with it today. And always remember, every penny counts. If you're interested in making even more money, I highly encourage you guys to visit my website, pennies2000s.com. That way you can see all the free websites and apps that I use to make money. And if you want to make some real money, I'm talking about $150 every single day. I can teach you the very easy steps that anybody can do. All you have to do is book a session with the link below.